Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY natural perfume. This is very beginner friendly, so let's go ahead and get started. The first ingredient that I will be using today is going to be my alcohol. This serves as the base of my perfume, and I am actually using vodka, 100% proof. This is food grade. To my alcohol base, I am now going to be using a blend of essential oils, and the first one I'm going to be using is a nice top note, and that is going to be lavender. The next essential oil I'll be using is going to be jasmine. This is actually a middle note and it has a nice floral scent to it. The third essential oil that I will be using is going to be rose essential oil, and this is also a middle note. Again, I'm sticking with the floral theme for this perfume. The last essential oil that I'll be using today in this perfume is called benzoin, and it is actually a base note. It smells very similar to vanilla. Now that all the ingredients have been added, I am just making sure that everything is nicely incorporated, and I am stirring this for about 2 to 3 minutes duration. So to store my perfume, I will be using this glass perfume bottle. This needs to set for about 30 days, and that just helps all the scents to kind of come together as one, leaving you with a beautifully scented finished product. So here is the formula along with any substitutions to make this perfume. You could, if you do not have vodka on hand or just don't like working with vodka, you can use rum instead. And when it comes to just having a wonderful scent, say you don't like floral, you like something different, play around and have fun with essential oils. It really is an art, but it definitely is fun to create. If you would like to see more content on how to make perfumes, please leave me a comment in the comment section. I would appreciate it so much. Thanks. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.